In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make t-shirt mock-ups in Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're an aspiring fashion designer or simply want to visualize your unique designs, Canva offers a straightforward and powerful way to bring your t-shirt concepts to life. Let's dive in and get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to the Canva website. If you haven't already set up an account, you may want to do that first. Once you're logged in and ready to go, we're going to kick off by using the search bar at the top of the page. Simply type in t-shirt mockup. This will help you find a variety of templates specifically designed for creating t-shirt mockups. With these templates, you don't have to start from scratch. They provide a great starting point and will save you a lot of time. After hitting search, you'll find a wide selection of templates appearing on your screen. This is a great opportunity to browse through the different styles and choose one that fits your vision. Whether you're looking for a simple design or something more intricate, Canva likely has something that will catch your eye. Take a moment to explore and select a template that matches what you envision for your t-shirt design. Once you've found the perfect template, click on it. You'll notice a Customize this template button. Clicking this will take you to a new window where you can start personalizing the design to really make it your own. This is where the fun begins, and you can let your creativity shine. In this customizing space, you can modify any part of the template as you wish. Feel free to adjust colors, change the text, add images, or even swap out the background. Canva's user-friendly interface allows you to drag and drop elements, making the editing process intuitive and enjoyable. If your design includes a logo or slogan, now's the time to incorporate it, giving your t-shirt that unique touch. If you're not satisfied with certain elements, just tweak them until you are. Canva provides a versatile toolset. You can upload your own images, experiment with different fonts, or utilize Canva's extensive library of graphics and illustrations. There's ample room to play around and make adjustments to realize your vision. Once you're happy with your design, it's ready to be downloaded. Navigate to the download button, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. You can choose from several formats, but for t-shirt printing, a high quality PDF or PNG is often recommended. And there you have it. A custom t-shirt mock-up designed in Canva in just a few minutes. With these skills, you can keep creating new designs for all sorts of styles and themes. Thanks for joining me today, and happy designing.